Hey, today on Wicked Good Eats, we're going to make some Cajun shrimp. So I went down to the local seafood and I got some of these nice shrimp with the head on. These are full. It's kind of like Cajun style. So this is about a pound of shrimp. So if you're going to have, more than, you're going to have 4 people, you might want, 2 pounds, 3 pounds. But this is usually good enough for 2 people. And the first thing we're going to do is run through the ingredients. So we got our shrimp, we gave it a good wash, we're letting them rest. And you're going to need either a cayenne pepper or a chipotle chili pepper, something with some spice. I like the chipotle. Some smoked paprika, sea salt, granulated garlic, some onion powder, some black pepper, some white pepper, oregano leaves. I got some leftover fresh thyme from my garden, and some sugar. You're going to need a stick of unsalted butter and a lemon. You're going to need a pan. Basically in this pan you're going to do your sauce. Small pan, pot, to just boil your shrimp. So the first thing you're going to want to do is quarter up your lemon, and we'll put that right in the pot. And once that comes to a boil, we'll let it boil for about a minute, let the lemon juice get in there. So now when you do this seasoning, it's going to be I use a half a tablespoon of each. You do a whole tablespoon, and like I said, once it's all mixed up, just put in a jar, label it Cajun seasonings. So I'm going to go through each one of these and add a half tablespoon, and just give it a good mix. And then basically what you're going to do is plop a couple of tablespoons of this nice mix into the butter once we get that going. And it looks like our lemon water has come to a boil, so we're going to put that shrimp in there. Okay, once that water starts coming back to a boil, now you want to set your kitchen timer for 3 minutes. And let those shrimp, they cook pretty quick, so 3 minutes, they'll be perfect. We got about 20 seconds left on the shrimp. We're starting to melt up the butter. It's on a medium heat. Beautiful. Okay. See what that looks like. And we just got this nice little bowl over here for them to rest. And our butter is just about almost melted. So you want it to melt and almost come to a boil, a little bubble, pretty good bubble once it's all melted. And we'll add our seasonings. Okay, so you see the butter's all melted. Go Wolfie over here waiting patiently. Yeah, Wolfie, you'll get a taste, don't worry. Then you're going to take some of your Cajun seasonings. This is a half a tablespoon. There's 1, 1.5. And 2. Okay, and then you got this left over you can jar up and use next time. So now just take a wooden spoon, incorporate that nicely. Oh god, it smells so good. So good. I like adding a little bit of the broth to it. Not a lot, just a little. Just enough to help it incorporate, pick up some of that lemon and shrimp flavor in the sauce. And you can see a lot of that water has burned off, so we got a nice base for our Cajun seasoning. Okay, and at this point we are going to add some tabasco. I'm basically just going to shake it around a little bit or you can use Louisiana hot sauce. You can add a little more if you like more heat, or less if you don't like a lot of heat, but definitely need the Tabasco in there. So basically there is no more moisture in that, so it's ready. So now what we're going to do is we are going to pour in our shrimp. And we're going to stir that up a little bit. Okay, let's get the lemons in there. See what that looks like already. I'm going to coat the shrimp. And take them out. And right in the bowl. Nice bowl of Cajun shrimp. Wicked good eats tonight. And then any sauce that's left, you can pour it right over the top. That looks like, oh yeah, Cajun style head-on shrimp. So we're going to bring this over here, let it cool down a little bit, and when it's cool enough I will cut up some for Wolfie and Lola. Got some here for Lola and one for Wolfie. Oh, Lola scooped that right up. Oh my God. Wow, they devoured that in split seconds. So there you go. Cajun style head-on shrimp. Enjoy, everybody. Let me know how you make out.